Hello all. In this session we are going to see digital logic gates. These are the basic fundamental building blocks for designing any type of digital circuits. Okay, so basically these are classified into three categories. First one is basic logic gates. Under basic logic gates there are basically three basic logic gates. One is NOT, AND, OR. Then universal logic gates, mainly there are two types of universal logic gates, NAND and NOR. Then finally exclusive gates. This is for mainly for the exclusive functions. These are XOR, XNOR. In some books it has been written XOR, XNOR, exclusive or exclusive NOR. Okay, so first we will go to the basic logic gates. Basic logic gates are nothing else. Any digital circuits can be designed with the help of basic logic gates using NOT, AND and OR. Okay, so then universal logic gates. Universal logic gates are nothing else, NAND and NOR. Why is it called universal logic gates? It's very important, guys, because with this NAND and NOR we can realize this basic logic gates, NOT, AND and OR. As we know that using NOT, AND and OR basic logic gates we can design any types of digital circuits. So hence we can design with the help of NAND and NOR these basic logic gates, and with these basic logic gates we can design any type of digital circuit. Hence it's called a universal logic gates. Hence NAND and NOR are called universal logic gates. We'll see later on in this session how we can realize AND, OR and NOT using NAND, as well as the basic logic gates NOT, AND and OR using NOR only. So lastly, the exclusive logic gates. The exclusive logic gates are nothing else, the XOR and XNOR. We are going to see how these XOR and XOR, what are their functionalities, what is the logic equation, what is the IC number, what is the truth table for it. We are going to see one by one now. So first we will start with the basic logic gates. So for that, what I am going to do, so this is name of the logic gate. Okay, then after that symbol of the logic gate, then after that functionality of the logic gate, then the truth table of the logic gate. Okay, then after that we can see the equivalent circuit with respect to basic logic gates. Okay, so these are the things, symbol and IC number we are going to see here, IC number. Okay, so see here, mainly the name is NOT, the basic logic gate NOT. What is the symbol? The symbol is here A, which is A bar. The IC number is nothing else, 7404 is the IC number. What is the functionality? The functionality is A bar, means output Z is, let's say this is Z, is A bar, inverted output. Whatever input you will give here, the inverted output, that is the functionality. What is truth table? Truth table nothing else, as we know that it has a single input, so we will have a 2 to the 1. How many number of input? It's a single input, so how many number of combinations will come? 2 combinations, 2 to the 1, 2, 0 and 1, and Z is equal to A bar, which is inverted, 0 it's 1, 1 it's 0. This is the truth table. And equivalent circuit with respect to basic logic gates, obviously it's a basic logic gate, so there is no equivalent circuit for it. Okay, so this is my NOT gate. Then AND gate. Okay, for the AND gate, so this is my symbol of the AND gate, where is 2 inputs A and B. Output Z is A and B. Okay, this is the symbol. Dot is the operator, which is logically AND, logical AND, and the IC number is 7408. 740 it is the IC number, and functionality obviously it's the logical AND, Z equal to A and B. So it's two variables. Okay, So what is the difference between variable and literal? Variable is nothing else. A is a variable, and A bar are the literals of the variable. What are the different combinations we can get? That is called literals. Okay. So next, truth table. It obviously combination of A and B, two inputs. Okay. Obviously combination of two inputs A, B, Z equal to A and B. Okay, so two inputs, two variables, obviously 2 square, 4 number of combinations. What are the combinations? 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. 0 0 and operation 0, 0 1, 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. So what do you understand from this? The output of the AND gate resembles when both the inputs are 1. That is the functionality of the AND gate. What is the equivalent circuit with respect to basic gate? And anyhow, this is the basic gate, so there is no equivalent circuit for it. Okay. And next basic gate is actually OR gate. For OR gate, so this is actually the symbol for the OR gate. It is actually also 2 logical OR, Z equal to A or B. IC number is 74LS32. 7432 is the IC number, and the operation is functionality is Z equal to A or B. And truth table, obviously there are two input OR operation, Z equal to A or B. So obviously two inputs, 2 to the 2, 4 number of combinations, 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. Obviously 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1. So this is the functionality of the OR gate. So what do you understand? If any of the input, so OR gate output resembles when any of the input of the OR gate is active high or 1 or positive or plus 5 volt. Okay. What is the basic equivalent circuit with respect to basic gate? So since it's actually a basic gate, so we cannot have equivalent circuit with respect to OR. So these three are called basic logic gates. So with these basic logic gates, we can design any type of logic circuit in the digital. Okay. Now we move to the universal logic gates. Universal logic gates. So mainly, as I discussed earlier, the universal logic gates are, there are two types of universal logic gates. One is NAND, NAND. Okay, NAND is nothing else, not plus AND. Okay, so what is the symbol of the NAND gate? Okay, just AND and NOT is actually NAND gate. A B Z equal to A and B bar, invert of the AND gate. Okay, the IC number is, functionality is Z equal to inverted AND, which is NAND. The IC number is 7400 is the IC number. What is the truth table? The truth table is A, B, Z is A and B bar. So obviously there are two combinations. 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So 0 0 inverted AND, 0 0 1, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 0. So whatever the outputs of the AND gate, it's just a negate of the complement of the output of the AND gate. So what it actually suggests, the functionality of the NAND gate suggests that the output resembles, the NAND gate output resembles when any of the input to the NAND gate is 0. And what is the equivalent circuit with respect to basic gate? So we can design this NAND gate with the help of a AND gate and a inverter. Okay, this is my AB. Here it is A dot B, and here it is A dot B bar. Using this basic logic gates, I can also design this NAND gate. So what are the basic logic gates we have used here? and a NOT gate we have used to design a NAND gate. So this is basically a universal logic gate. Okay, so this is one of the universal logic gates. Next logic gates is NOR gate. Okay, the basic symbol of the NOR gate is, it is just invert of the OR gate, nothing else. A, B, Z equal to A or B inverted. So what is the IC number 7402 is the IC number, which is not, NOR is nothing else the NOT plus OR. Okay, so this is actually the functionality, Z is A or B, but just inverted the OR functionality. Okay, so what is the truth table? The truth table again resembles here the output Z equal to A or B inverted. So obviously it's a two variable, 4 combination, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So 0 0, it's 0 plus 0 0 while in the OR gate, so it's 1 inverted. Okay, 0 plus 1 1, which is inverted. 1 plus 0 1 inverted, 1 plus 1 1 inverted. So what do you understand from this? The output of the NOR gate resembles when both the inputs are active low. So how can we design it with the help of basic logic gates? Very simple, OR gate and a NOT gate. So this is A, B, here it is A or B, here it is Z equal to A or B bar. So we can design this NOR gate using two logic gates, which are OR gate and second one is NOT gate. So this is called universal logic gates. In this later session we can see how we can design these basic gates using NAND and NOR. Means how we can design NOT gate using only NAND, AND gate using only NAND, OR gate using only NAND, NOT gate using only NOR, or AND gate using only NOR, OR gate using only NOR. So as we know that why is it called universal logic gates? Because it can design the basic gates using only NAND and NOR. As we know that basic gates can do the operation of any of the digital circuit. We can realize any digital circuits using basic gates. That's why it's called universal logic gates, NAND and NOR. So next one is exclusive gate. Exclusive gate is XOR, which is exclusive OR. The symbol is actually like this. So this is A, B, and the functionality Z is A XOR B. This is the functionality. Okay, which is nothing else A bar B plus AB bar. Okay. So what is the IC number? IC number is 7486 is the IC number. And what is the truth table? Again it's a two variable, so it's 2 to the 4 number of combination A XOR B, which is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So see here what we'll get over here. It's also called the odd input odd one gate. So what is that odd one? If odd number of ones will come up, then output resembles. So this is 0 0 or even number of ones. There is nothing. So obviously there is no one which is even number. So output doesn't resemble. 0 1 only one. So 1 is odd number. So hence its output resembles. 1 0 odd number of ones. The number of ones are odd. 1 1 0. So what is the equivalent circuit with respect to gate? We can design this with this help of this one. So how we can design here? Check out here. A bar B. So this is A bar. Okay. B. AND gate. Next A B bar. So we can take A B bar. We can do B bar and finally OR. So this is Z equal to A XOR B. So this is my A bar B, this is my AB bar. Finally using OR gate we got here Z equal to A bar B plus AB bar, which is nothing else A XOR B. So this is also called odd count gate. So we can have number of ones are odd. Let's say we'll have one more fundamental here. You can see. So this is. So what is the output if this is 1 0 1 0 1? So how many number of ones in the input? 1 2 3 odd number of ones. So output resembles. Okay, this is the functionality of the exclusive OR. How we can use actually? We can use it actually in the data communication purpose using error correcting and detecting cases. So we'll see that how we can use in the later sessions. So next one. So this is XOR. Next one is XNOR. XNOR is called exclusive NOR gate. So exclusive NOR gate, which is nothing else, the symbol is just opposite of one NOT gate, okay, across the XOR, which is nothing else XOR plus a NOT gate, okay. So this is A, B, here it is A XOR B inverted. So we can have another operation for another expression for it, which is A XOR B. This is the symbol A XOR B. What is the functionality? Functionality is A XOR B, which is A bar B bar plus AB. Okay. Next truth table. Obviously, it is two variables. So AB, which is Z A XOR B. So AB 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Obviously, 4 number of combinations has been come up. So it's just the opposite of the XOR. So wherever the even number of ones, it is resembles. So 1 0 0 1. Okay. Well, how we can design this? We can design this with the help of using the basic gates NOT and OR. So how it is? A bar B. Let's say this is A bar B bar, A bar B bar. Okay. Next A B, finally OR, which is Z equal to A bar B bar plus AB. So this is my A bar B bar, this is my AB, finally Z, which is actually the using basic logic gates how we design the XOR gates. So this is the IC number is mainly 74266. 74266 is the IC number of the XOR gate. Thank you very much.